Hi, I'm Yong Bang Ming.
I'm Kuman Yip.
I am Ming Sun Kok.
We are electronics engineering student. He's a first year, he's a second year, and I'm a third year. We are from USM. Today, we're going to show you how to DIY your own PCB. It's very easy only.
How easy is it?
It's very easy only, it's just like drinking water.
You're wrong.
Huh? I'm wrong?
It's even easier.
Is it?
Yes. And we are going to show you how to do it.
Yes.
Okay, now we're going to show you all the things you need to do your own PCB. Over here, you have a normal hand drill, disposable mask, disposable gloves, a towel, a recycled magazine paper. Any magazine will do, not necessarily Alcan. A handsaw, thinner, ferric chloride acid, a container, but make sure the acid won't corrode it, permanent marker, pair of tweezers, copper board, sandpaper, your design, masking tape, and what is this?
Sorry, this is mine.
Okay, hot water, laser jet printer, and over here we have something very important. You need a handphone. Why? Because we are playing with handsaw, acid, and thinner. They are all very dangerous things to play with, so you need to have 999 number standby. Okay. So next up, you need the laminator. But if you don't have a laminator, a normal iron will do. The iron will do. And finally, we have...
Hey, sorry. This one, let's be as friend.
Okay.
Our lecturer, Dr. Tun, always said about that. 20% only for the mini project, but the left 80% is for cleaning.
Yeah. Now, Vincent and Manjit is going to show you the procedures step by step. Step number 1, put on your mask. Since you're dealing with acid and thinner, the mask is very important. Step number 2, sandpaper your copper board to make sure it's clean. Then you can wipe it with a towel. Look at that, all shiny. Next up, tape your design, the layout that you have printed on the magazine paper, and stick it onto the copper board. Just make sure it's tight. And put it into the laminator. Or if you're using an iron, this is the step where you iron it. So if you're using a laminator, it's best to do this as many times as possible. You can just go back and front again and again. So you do this for about 10 to 20 times, and you can move on with the next step. Okay, after the lamination process is done, you just take the board and you dip it into hot water. You remove the tape and the magazine paper in hot water. You can see the traces stuck onto the copper board. For broken linings, you can connect them with the marker by drawing the lines. Okay, and you draw a smiley. Yeah. After that, the next step is to put your copper board into the acid, the ferric chloride acid. And you wait for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, the PCB will be clear. You can see it here. You'll be able to see that design is nicely etched onto the copper board, and the rest of the coppers, they are all corroded by the ferric chloride. Okay, so the next step is to put it in a container. After you have washed it, you wipe it. For the next step is to pour some thinner. Just a little bit will do to get rid of the toner. Okay, and there you have it. Our PCB. Looking very nice. Okay. See?